In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use enchant fragments in Dragon Soul. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are various ways in which you can acquire these enchant fragments in Dragon Soul. I'm gonna cover them briefly and then I'm gonna teach you how to use these enchant fragments. So you can get them from Cells Arena. So if you defeat players in here, Big Man will award you with enchant fragments. You can acquire them from defeating world bosses. So one example would be the Great Ape. They have a chance of dropping these enchant fragments when they spawn and you deal a certain amount of damage to them. Another way would be through the Broly fight. Of course, there are more ways, but I'm not going to cover every single one in full detail in this video. They will have a chance of dropping from most of these methods, and once you have them, they will appear under your inventory on the fragments category. So in here, you can click on the enchant fragment. Now, like I said before, the enchant fragments will appear under the fragments category on the inventory, and if you click on them, you will reveal the rarity of that fragment. So they will range from common, rare, epic, legendary, and so on, and you will have the option to review a specific enchant fragment. Once you review, you will get the matching rarity and you will see the actual enchant here. So in this example here, this one is a common enchant, key max 2, you get 10 plus 20% key IM from this item, and you can use it by binding it to specific gear. So all that you have to do now is click on the enchant that you acquired and then select bind. When you bind this onto an item, the effect will be active and you will spend this amount of Zenny to get it done. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.